What I'm going to show you right now is what I'm going to eat for lunch today. Of course, I'm going to take that slaw that we just made, and this is basically a rendition or a kind of riff on tuna salad, and I kind of refer to this as tuna salad. But yeah, we're starting off with the slaw, and then the next thing I'm going to add is some red onion, maybe just 2 or 3 slices of red onion go in there. And the next thing I'm going to add is some pickles. These are some dill pickles. They're refrigerator pickles, so they're a little crunchier than the cooked pickles you can buy at the store. And I really like these over the cooked pickle kind. But I'm just going to go ahead and rough chop these into like a very, very chunky relish, basically. And this is going to give the salad a very, you know, vinegary, pickly flavor. And then the tuna. Now this is high quality tuna. It's albacore tuna, white meat. If you don't like tuna, it's a good possibility that you've just never had good canned tuna. And I would recommend, instead of buying the cheapest tuna that they have on the shelf, spend the extra 20 cents and get yourself some albacore white tuna, and it's vastly better than the cheap cans of tuna that you find at the grocery store. It's a lot. It's so much better. And a few croutons. Gotta love the croutons. Of course, that's optional, but they just add such a nice crunch. And since I've got such a vinegary thing going on with all those pickles, I like to combine that with a sweet salad dressing. And this is the Vidalia onion. I've had poppy seed dressing is pretty good on this salad also. Give that a mix. And oh yeah, forgot, I like a little pepper in there too in this salad. And there's a tuna salad. That's what I'm eating for lunch today. And it's just really good, healthy, and filling lunch. The slaw is really filling, and I hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. See you on the next one.